In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and choosing alarm at the bottom left corner. When you finished, click on those three dots, select settings, and manage those two options however you want to. When you finished, go back. Now to create a new alarm, click on this plus right next to three dots. Then adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on days of the week that you wish to set up, and tap on alarm name to label it. Now you can scroll all the way down and click on alarm background. In order to customize it, click on select photos and videos or tap on allow all. Then hit background at the top left corner. Pick one of those or select any photo from your gallery to apply it. Then hit done at the top right corner. Now you can click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can adjust each of them by clicking on it. Let's start with alarm sound. Thanks to this slider at the bottom, you can operate volume of it, and over here you can pick the best sound source. For example, by clicking on Spotify, you can log into your account and use music from it. If you wish to choose ringtone, you can tap on it, manage those two options, and to pick one of those melodies, click on the best one. You can also select this plus at the top right corner. Click on the switcher next to play selected highlights to switch them off or on, and then apply any song from your smartphone by clicking on it. To save it, hit done at the top right corner. When you finished, go back, click on vibration, and apply one of those patterns by clicking on the best one, like medium. You can also select silent at the bottom of the list. Go back again, select snooze, and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Now, after going back, you can finally hit save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To make some changes, click on it, change wherever you want to, and select save. To turn it off completely, click on blue switcher next to it. And to turn it back on, select the same, now grey one. Lastly, to delete your alarm, just hold it. Click delete at the bottom right corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!